Hare Krishna. Welcome to Krishna's Cuisine. I am Bhuvan Sundarirata Devidasi with a fabulous recipe. Gujarati cuisine is popular around the world. Today we are going to prepare a very famous Gujarati dish, namely Methi Muthiya. Muthiya is a prominent dish prepared during Sankranti in Gujarat. These are crispy and soft deep fried dumplings. With exotic flavor of fresh fenugreeks, muthiyas taste amazing. These are added in Undhiyu, which is a famous Gujarati sabji and is added in different sabjis too. This is a very good option for evening snacks too, and it is instant and very easy to prepare. So let's begin. First, take 2 cups of fenugreek leaves in a mixing bowl. Here I have cleaned and washed fenugreek leaves. I have dried them roughly. It must not have much water. Now add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, half teaspoon of garam masala, 2 tablespoons of sesame seed, add 2 teaspoons of sugar, add 1 teaspoon crushed ginger chilli, add 3/4 teaspoon of salt, add half lemon's juice, around 1 tablespoon. And 1 tablespoon of oil. Combine all this well. I have listed down all the ingredients with their measurements in the description box below. You can refer it. This is done. Next, add 1 tablespoon of fine semolina, suji or rava. Add 1/4 cup besan or gram flour. Add 1 cup of wheat flour. Mix all this thoroughly. This snacks is made up of such ingredients that are easy to find. Next, add some water and knead a medium hard dough. Do not add much water at a time. This muthiya is generally added in Undhiyu. I am going to prepare it soon in the next video, so stay tuned for it. Here I have added 1/4 cup of water only, and you can see the texture of the dough. With this, our dough is ready. Now apply some oil on your palm. Make small dough balls. Gently shape them into small cylinders like this. Make sure there are no cracks on the surface. Similarly, make all of them. These are ready. Here I have heated the oil. It is warm and not hot. While the oil is warm, add the muthiya. Fry the muthiya from low to medium flame and do not touch immediately. After 1 minute, stir it. Fry them until they turn into golden brown in color. After 3 to 4 minutes, you can see the color is changing. After 6 to 7 minutes, the muthiya have fried well. Take them out in a plate and similarly fry all of them. Methi muthiyas are ready. We can store these muthiyas for 20 days and can be carried as a traveling snacks. Let's place a tulsi leaf and offer it to Lord Jagannath. Srila Prabhupada says, if by the tongue you chant Hare Krishna mantra and by the tongue you taste prasadam, you will be perfect simply by executing these two things. If you like bhoga recipes, please like, share, subscribe and click on the bell icon below so you do not miss any bhoga recipe. Always chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare and be happy.